So many old people have gone missing in Nigeria due to their inability to remember and recognize people, objects, and places. This is a major symptom of Alzheimer's disease, which is the commonest form of dementia. To this end, Gabi-Williams Alzheimer's Foundation has organized a one-day training to create awareness on the disease and educate caregivers on better ways of handling the aged. Lynn Leneke reports.
Memory loss, forgetting things, and actually reacting towards having this disease. So these young people tend to, show all kinds of negative emotions and try to overreact to these older ones that they have to look after.
When we try to tell him or discuss with him about his beating, he feels so aggressive. At times he doesn't want to listen to us, and you feel like doing nothing, sitting, but you have to, one way or the other, pet him and do the normal necessary things for him.
These stories by caregivers of their experiences set the stage for the Train the Caregivers session by the Gabi-Williams Alzheimer's Foundation. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking, eventually leading to inability to carry out simple tasks. While Alzheimer's is common among the elderly, it is not a normal part of aging. In Nigeria, however, awareness on the disease is low and has made treatment and care for patients challenging. This event, therefore, is to equip caregivers with the necessary skills to make life better for those suffering from the disease.
And the only way to destigmatize a condition is to bring deeper understanding about that condition. And so what we're here to do is really to provide a platform of interaction with caregivers of this condition so that they can understand the condition more deeply, and we can through the interaction with caregivers, we can provide them with tools, with resources, and with the knowledge that will allow them to cope and hopefully thrive in their responsibility for caring with people with this tragic condition.
Dr. Olajide Gabi-Williams urged caregivers to be more proactive in addressing issues relating to the condition. He was, however, emphatic on paying attention to symptoms of the disease, which he says are usually overlooked.
To really capture the key symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. F stands for forget. So people forget simple things. They forget names, they forget places, they forget faces. They forget simple things that they normally would not forget. Also, in order to compensate for their forgetfulness, you start noticing that they're writing things down all the time, reminders all the time. So FLOW, flow, is a simple acronym that can be used to remember the core symptoms of Alzheimer's disease.
Experts say healthy behaviors, which include regular exercises and healthy diets, translates to healthy brains and may even offer some protection against Alzheimer's disease. In Lagos, Lynn Leneke, NTA News.